I found 365 Custom Turf on Facebook. I had been shopping around for turf for a long time. We knew we needed to do something. Looking around, they popped up on Facebook, watched some of their videos, and I was really impressed with what I saw. I tried to fix my yard. Prior to turf, with actual grass, it was a nightmare. It didn't work. Since then, the rain, it flowed just right. No puddles, no mud, no nothing. When I saw some of the videos and what 365 Custom Turf had done, I thought, man, that's really cool. If I'm going to spend the money and put turf in, I might as well put me in a small putting green. Absolutely would recommend 365 Custom Turf. They did a really good job. They were really responsive, and anything that I needed, they did.